Yes? 360 by 2, 180. 180 divided by 3.14. What you will get? Take here pi as 3.14.
So 5.37.
360 by 2 into 3.14. You said 5.7.
Yes, sir.
5.7 point. Give me two
Sir,
decimals.
5.7.
5.7.
32.
32. You missed one digit. It should be 57.32. Because 360 divided by 2 is 180. So 180 divided by
Yes, sir.
3. It's around 60. So this is in degree. So 1 radian equals to 57.32 degrees. Okay. Let's find out one question. Let's try one question. What is curve? A curve of radius 50 meters on a flat road. What is its displacement when it covers a linear distance of 78.5 meters? Yeah. So would you try this? Come on. Same, find out. Let me just give you given terms so that it will be easy for you first. Radius is 50 meters. S distance, that is 78.5. Theta equals to question mark, that is angular displacement. So theta equals to S by.
S by R.
So get this. We'll get this answer in radians. Okay, then convert this into degrees. Come on. Yes, I want everyone to participate. This is night class, so you are tired or what? Ramcharan?
Yes.
Okay. Sainiyati? Yeah.
Is it 1.41?
1.41. Okay. So convert this into degrees. Tanishq?
That means we need to multiply it with 5,
Yeah,
57.32 only, no?
Yes, either 57.32 or 360 by 2 pi, whichever
Okay.
you feel easy. I want answer from all of you. Come on. If your mic is not working, then you can text. You can send
Sir,
in
is
chat
it
box. Yeah,
80.82?
80.82.
82.
Okay. What about you, Ramcharan? Sainiyati? Are you trying or what? Okay, then let me solve. 5 divided by 50, right? Okay. If we divide,
Sir, sorry, I did it with 70. So I wrote it 75.
okay, 0.75.
I wrote 7.5, sir. I'm doing it.
Oh, no problem. Change it now. $55, ones are 5, remainder 2, 28, 5 5s are 25, 35, 5 7 is 35. So decimals. This decimal here and one more 0, that means 2 decimals. So it is, this is in radians. So theta in degrees, that is 1.57 into, what's the conversion? 57.32.
57.32.
If we multiply this, what should I get? Multiply and tell me. 4 decimals. Excuse me.
Sir,
should
89.9. Actually, 90.
89.99
9.
degree. Let's round it off to 90 degree.
90.
So theta is at 90 degree, perpendicular to each other. Clear with numerical, this one?
Yes, sir.
Conversion part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about you two? Sai? Anish?
Yes, sir. Instead of 1.57, I just 1.5. So what different?
Oh, okay. Yeah, at least if we take 2 or 3 decimals, we can get like exact values. But not exactly one, but we can say round of values. So at least have a 2 decimals after this one. Even 3 is better. But here we don't need here 3. So okay, let's go for second thing. We saw here angular displacement. Let's talk about angular velocity. Okay, as usual, what we studied velocity in linear velocity, that's what we are going to discuss in angular velocity. Actually, I have taught you these things in that class, correct, Niyati?
Yes, sir, you did.
Yeah, we finished this chapter actually. Almost everything is finished. Okay. But here we will go with some detailed. Okay. So the magnitude of angular velocity is rate of change of displacement. That is same as usual. What is velocity? Displacement by time. So here angular displacement by time. That's it. So magnitude of angular velocity is rate of change of angular displacement by time. Or with time. Or if we say same manner how we wrote for angular like displacement, a swept out of radius vector in a given time interval. Same way we can write. Where did we write? Yeah, here. Swept out of radius vector in a given time interval. Or it is angle swept out of radius vector in 1 second. So angular displacement or angular velocity is denoted by omega, as angular displacement was theta. Here we have omega. So what are they saying? So it is the rate of change of displacement by time, or angle swept out of radius vector in 1 second. See that? In 1 second. That means time period. With what? 2 pi. See there we wrote there. What is our 2 pi? Theta equals to 2 pi radians. That's what we wrote.
Yes, sir.
So let's write that. Omega is rate of change, that is 2 pi with respect to time. How we got this? Omega equals 2 pi by the definition. Angular velocity is rate of change of angular displacement by time.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Or angle swept out of radius vector in 1 second. So we are taking time and 2 pi. That is your angle swept out. Understood this one? How we got this 2 pi by t?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 2 pi we took from here. Theta is, where is it? Yeah, 2 pi radians. If I write this one more step, this I directly wrote, still I can give one more step, that is theta by t. Here theta is 2 pi. 2 pi radians. Okay, this is in radians. So here t is capital T, or time period taken. Time taken. Time taken for an revolution. So if it is for 1, so we can make a formula as angular velocity equals to 2 pi n. N is the number of revolution in 1 second. So n is 1 by t. N is 1 by t. This condition is for if it makes n number of rotation, then it is 2 pi n, where n is 1 by t. Okay. Now suppose there is a small theta, which is small displacement made in small interval of time. That time, then instantaneous velocity wait, what is this? Instantaneous velocity which is equals to delta, or let's write first omega equals to limit of delta t tends to 0. I was directly starting from t equals to 0, but let's start with this way. Delta theta by delta t, which we can write as d theta by dt. Omega is d theta by dt. And theta is in radians. And t will be in
Second.
yes, exactly. Okay. So can we make a dimensional formula for this one? What's the dimensional formula? Come on, try. Radian doesn't have dimension. We have dimension for time, that is seconds. So what is the dimension of seconds? You know how to make dimension, right? Guys? You know, right? Say something, okay. You're saying something, but it's not audible, Tanishq. Maybe my internet problem. Okay, how to make dimension now? Theta doesn't have dimension. We have time as a dimension, that is t. So how will write? M0, L0, t minus 1. There is a dimension for angular velocity. Simple. M0, L0, t minus 1. Angular velocity, omega, is a vector quantity. Why? Because its direction is taken along the direction of rotation. Remember this. Angular velocity is the vector quantity. Its direction is along axis of rotation. But how we will know when there will be some questions like that? We have to mention like what is the direction of rotation and all that. But how will you say left, right, east, west? For me, I'm sitting opposite to you. So for me, something which it will be east, then it will be west for you. So how will you say that? I will explain that. With the help of the page, means moving out of the page, moving inside the page. Same thing what you did for magnetism in 10th standard, same thing you have to do. Same thing you have to explain, same manner. Like moving out of the page, moving inside the page, or parallel to page, or clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. This is the way we can mention that. Are you able to understand, or shall I write the points? Yes? Are you able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If not, then I'll write a point so that you can remember. Okay. Then. So same manner, direction of rotation also we can use. We can say by our curling of fingers, like right and thumb rule we used to do, right? We were using for finding magnetic field. Same manner. Let's try this question. Completes one revolution round the sun in 365.25 days. What is the angular velocity? Okay, they have given only 365 days. So how will you find angular velocity? Can you guess?
2 pi by 365.5.
Yes, 365.25, yes. But these are in days. So what we will do? Yes, you're going correct. Go on.
We'll convert
Convert into seconds.
seconds.
Exactly. Come on. Convert this and tell me. Earth's complete one revolution around the sun in 365.25 days. What is the angular velocity? Those who cannot speak or mic is not working, they can send your answer in chat box. But I want answer from everyone. Come on. Are you all doing? Yes. Any answer? Yes, Neha, what's your answer? Chavalika, Sainiyati, Tanishq. Okay, let me ask one by one. Neha, what's your answer? Do you know formula? You don't? Let me write. 2 pi by t. Pi here it is 3.14. T we need to convert. 365.25 days into per day. How many hours? 24 hours. So 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 minute, 60 seconds. Oh my God. This much big multiplication. Come on. You have to divide by 2 into 3.14 divided by this big numbers. That will be your answer in radians per second. Yes, Neha? Are you doing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tanishq, are you?
Yes, I was doing so.
Oh. Your volume was so low.
I was doing so.
Okay. Sainiyati, what about you?
Sir, it's a very big calculation, sir.
Yeah, it is. So do one thing. After you multiply, just get 3 decimals into 10 to power what? Send everything into 10 to power. See, like this, big numbers are there. So what do? Remove zeros. Get some decimals. First you multiply. First tell me what is the value of this multiplication. Let's do easy way. Six, 36. So 0, 0, 36, 4, 36, 12, 12, 24, 24, 25, 26, 6, 2, 6, 7, 8. 8640 into 356. No, 365. Okay. 20. 30, 24, 40, 30. Four plus 2, 6. 3, 5, 7. Okay. So it will be 6 here. Then this one, second number. 12, 4, 3. 3. The last one. 40, 50. Okay, it's around 3 lakh something. 351360. Yeah. So what is it you're getting? 351620? Is it same? Three one five.
So I got 31557 something.
31557
600.
600. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't use 0.25 now, so it would make a difference. Fine. Okay. So let's take this as a value. Now after this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 3.15 into 10 to power minus 7 or plus 7, sorry. So use this one and divide it. And if you observe this 3.15 and here it is 3.14, it's almost similar. We can say they are 1. And here it is 2. 1 into 2. So let's take this is not exactly 1. It's less than some 1. So we can say 1.9. If I multiply, it's not exactly 2. It's less than some 1. So let's take 1.9. And this is 7. So it will be 10 to power plus 7. It will go up. It will become 10 to power minus 7. Instead of dividing, taking so much time, convert this into powers. It won't make much difference here. Or you can round up to here, 3.16. Then you can try. Check, are you getting same 1.9? Or 1.8 something, round off to 1.9.
Yes, sir. 1.98.
1.98, right? Yeah. So if we go with exact 1.98. One point nine eight 10 to the power minus 7. So keep it like that. So that will be your answer in radians per second. Okay. So down in today's class. Yeah, you're doing it, right? Okay, do it. Yes, everyone got this? Neha, Kavalika, Tanesh,
Yes.
everyone?
Mm.
Okay. Okay. And shall I stop sharing?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay then. See you on next class.